Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unfreeze your Discover Cashback debit card online. Open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for bank accounts. Under Bank Accounts, you will see your Discover Cashback Debit checking account. To continue, click on Cashback Debit. Now you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Services. On the drop-down list, you will see a section for Debit Card. Under Debit Card, you will see an option for Freeze/Unfreeze Debit Card. Click on Freeze/Unfreeze Debit Card. Now you will see a section for Cashback Debit. On its right side, you will see a blue text that says Unfreeze Card. Click on Unfreeze Card. And now you will see a message saying that your debit card has been unfrozen. That's how you unfreeze your Discover Cashback debit card online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.